Ever wondered how the Statue of Liberty came to be? Or why this towering figure in the New York harbor has become an enduring symbol of hope, freedom, and democracy? The tale begins in the late 19th century, with French political thinker and abolitionist Édouard René de La Boulaye. La Boulaye conceived the idea of commemorating the centennial of the United States and celebrating the robust friendship between France and the United States with a monumental gift. The task of designing this gift fell to French sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi. Bartholdi's creation, a towering statue made of copper, was a joint effort between France and the United States. The statue, representing Libertas, the Roman goddess of freedom, was completed in France in 1884, standing over 151 feet tall. She bears a torch and a tabula ansata, a tablet symbolizing the law, inscribed with the date of the Declaration of Independence. At her feet lay broken chains, a powerful symbol of the abolition of slavery. But the journey of the Statue of Liberty was far from over. In 1885, the statue was disassembled and shipped across the Atlantic to New York City. There, on what was then Bedloe's Island, now Liberty Island, she was reassembled, standing tall and proud against the city's skyline. Funding for the statue's pedestal came from a fundraising campaign within the United States, spearheaded in part by Joseph Pulitzer. Finally, on October 28, 1886, the statue was dedicated in a ceremony attended by President Grover Cleveland. From that day forward, the Statue of Liberty became a beacon of hope, welcoming immigrants to the shores of a new land. As the years passed, the Statue of Liberty grew to be one of the most recognizable symbols of the United States, visited by millions each year from around the globe. In 1924, the statue was designated as a national monument. Less than a decade later, in 1933, the National Park Service took over the administration and maintenance of the statue. Fast forward to 1984, and the Statue of Liberty was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So, what began as a gift and a symbol of friendship between two nations has become an enduring symbol of freedom and hope, a beacon of democracy and a testament to the power of unity and cooperation. The Statue of Liberty stands not just as a monument of the past, but as a guiding light for the future.